Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we have the unboxing of VI, was it TI, action camera version 5 VS. Yes, this action camera records up to a resolution of 4K at 30 frames per second or 1080p at 60 frames per second. It takes up to 128 gig SD card, it's waterproof and comes with a 2-inch LCD screen. So how does it compare with other action cameras on the market? Well, let's find out. Before then, we'll do a quick unboxing and then we'll take this camera out for a quick test. Okay, so we have the unboxing of the DI action camera. It's the V5S. So let's get the unboxing underway. All right, first off, there's the instruction manual. Action camera. V5S, yeah, usual stuff. Then we have the actual camera itself with the casing. It's the waterproof casing. Incidentally, it also has the tightener right here already screwed on. So, all right, let's get this opened up, and there's the actual camera itself. Incidentally, you can change these lens filter. We have different ones you can put in there as well. There's your power button here. That's the menu selector. And on this cover here we have, I believe it's the HDMI. Yes, HDMI right here. HDMI, USB, and obviously the SD card slot. Up to 128 gig support. Okay, on this side then is the selector up and down when you get into the menu system. Very compact, very nice. Here you go. This is where you put the batteries, so you just slide this out and then you pull this lever right here and you get the battery replacement. Okay, and then there's your camera mount as well. This one has a built-in camera mount right here. Alright, it's powered up already, check it out. Okay, so we'll put this on the side right here and see what else is in the box. So have a look at the casing. So all the menu buttons here, power, the selector, and the menu up and down. It's available also on the buttons here, the waterproof buttons. Alright, very nice. Comes with this waterproof casing, ready to go. Alright, so let's have a look at the accessories. In here, there's the pouch, carry pouch, very nice. Very nice, carry pouch. It's the lens cloth, so you can clean your lens. This is one of the lens cap filter. Oh, this is the bicycle clamp. Yep. Double-sided sticky pads. More sticky pads, double-sided, for your camera mounts. This one, I think, is one of these slot-in mounts for your action cam. Replacement spare one. Like I said, here you see that it's a replacement one of those, and replacement casing cap for the lens for your screen. So I'm expecting this one here, yeah. So you can actually replace that part of the casing. Okay, what else? Oh, more lens filter cap, yeah, nice. And another one, yeah, UV protectors and lens cap filter. And yep, so earlier we had that mount that goes here as well, so you can actually mount that in all sorts of positions in different scenarios. USB cable, USB charging cable, and that is it. So there you have the unboxing of the VI action camera. So let's check out some of the actual footage we managed to get with this. Night time as well as daytime. Show you the 1080p as well as 4K video. So I know you enjoyed this video, so you know what to do. Hit the like button and leave a comment below. You can actually purchase all the items mentioned here via the links down there. Visit our website and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until then, this is Winston for FunkyKit.com.